All right, this one has a title, The Houses Are Fake. Let's see.
Material success is fake. Money is fake. The houses are fake. If I handed you a mansion and I handed you $1 million, it would probably be gone in less than 2 years. If you're one of those smart aleck people that are like, oh, what I just invested the $1 million in this, or I would do that to multiply my money, the money's still fake. What you're doing now is applying the skills that you have to the money. So guess what? Your skills are real. Your mindset is real. Your character traits are real. But the material success, it's fake at the end of the day. Those things are here today, gone tomorrow. But the things that are gonna last, no matter what happens, things that nobody can take away from you, are your skill, your mindset, and your character traits.
I like what this guy's saying. However, success or material things, cars, fancy things, I don't necessarily think that that's fake, but that's temporary. I would disagree. The houses are not fake. Houses are real assets. Real estate is not fake. What you choose to do with real estate, that can be temporary. But at the end of the day, I completely agree with what this dude is saying, because money can be taken, material possessions, they can be taken, whatever it is. What's up here and what's in here cannot be taken from you. As the great Alex Hormozi says, don't take that money and invest it into the S&P 500. Instead, invest it into the S&Me 500. If you have the skill sets, unless you're buried 6 feet under, you'll always be able to take those and apply those to your current circumstances to create again, because the skill sets are what matters. Talk soon. Happy investing.